Hey friends, if you wish to disable the rollback feature of Windows installer in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now we need to create a new key named installer. So right click on Windows, new key, name it installer. In the right pane, you will create a Diva 32-bit entry named Disable Rollback. Right click, new Diva 32-bit value, Disable Rollback. Double click on it, change the value data to 1, hit enter. Reboot your system and the rollback feature of Windows installer will be disabled permanently unless you change it from the registry editor once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.